Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to talk about using the Aroon indicator to help you make smarter trades. So the Aroon indicator is a study comprising two plots. The first one is the Aroon up, and it measures the number of periods since the most recent high reached within a specified time period. The other plot is the Aroon down, and it measures the number of periods since the most recent low reached within the same period. The values are normalized to the 0 to 100 scale. So we've got an input parameter here, which is the length, and that says the number of bars to calculate the Aroon indicator. And then we've got several plots here. So we've got the Aroon up plot, we've got the Aroon down plot, we've got the overbought level, and we've got the oversold level. So let's hop into Thinkorswim and get it on the chart. So go to the upper right, click Studies, then click Edit Studies, and then in the small search box here, in the upper left of the smaller window, you can start to type in Aroon, and there you have it, Aroon indicator. Double click that, then click Apply and click OK. All right, so it is on the chart here, and I've got SPY pulled up, the S&P 500 ETF, and this is the daily time frame. So let's kind of take a look here at how we could use this to actually make trades. So this can kind of help you to spot possible reversals in the market. So let's take a look here at some rallies and some peaks. So you can see here the light blue line, that is going to be your up plot. And what that's going to tell you is that markets are possibly overextended to the upside and we might see a reversal. So here is a great example. You can see right here, SPY rallied up and set a fresh high. And right at this point, we have this thing maxed out to the top end. You can see this line starts, this up plot or this light blue line starts flattening out and it starts ramming up against the max level here of 100. So once you see this thing ramming up here near the top and starting to flatten out, it's got no more room to run. That's where you can start to look for the reversal. So I wouldn't trade solely off this. Like once this blue line or this light blue line hits 100, I wouldn't just say, well, it's time to go short. I mean, that can work out. You can see if you went short right here on this candle for SPY, it did rally up quite a bit more, but then it did pull back and make a big move lower. So you could have been profitable there. It just would not have been as good of an entry as if you waited and then you started to see this thing really start to peel back. You could have made a little bit better of a short entry there. So I definitely keep an eye on that because sometimes it can stay rammed up at this top level for extended periods of time. But that's just kind of alerting you to, hey, we might have a reversal. It may not be immediate or like the next candle, but get ready because we're probably going to have a reversal. So you can kind of spot a short entry that way. And then for long entries, you want to be looking at this red line. So this is going to be when the thing is kind of bottomed out here. So once you start to see this red line come up and actually get above the 70 level, that's considered an oversold range once it gets up here. But once this thing really gets all the way up to the 100 level, that's where you can start to look for reversals. And you can see right here, it touched on this candle right here, it touched that 100 level, kind of maxed out there, and it did make a little bit of a rally. So you could have made a little bit of money on a swing trade opportunity there, but then it had a pullback. This thing rammed up again and it stayed up against that 100 line for several candles. So we had a little bit more of an extended beat down here. And then once you see this red line start to peel back and peel off, you see the price start to rally. And that was a nice rip right there. So that's how you can use this Aroon study to help you to spot short entries or long entries and possible market reversals. So if you thought any of the information in this video was helpful or useful, please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.